Hi, I'm Jocelyn.
Hi, I'm Cedric.
And this is our home. Welcome. I've always liked marble, so I think you can see from the different footage, most of the stuff that Tommy did for us is marble based. We wanted to keep it simple, so we wanted different shades of grey or black or even white. We actually consulted quite a number of IDs before we settled for Matrix ID. What really determined Matrix ID for me is actually the ID itself, Tommy. I like that he gave me his professional and honest opinion whenever I want to do something maybe it may be a bit impractical or maybe not very cost efficient, and he'll actually tell me come up with solutions and alternatives that actually makes more sense. And I think that he's really passionate about what he does, and I think that I can communicate with him very easily. And when we wanted certain ideas, he'll actually tell us, oh, maybe you can do this instead, maybe you can do that instead. I like that we can bounce ideas off each other. And yeah, favorite part of the house that was done by Tommy at Matrix ID is actually the wardrobe. It's we actually shifted quite a number of doors and did quite a few false walls to actually make it happen. So the wardrobe is part of our master bedroom, and sad to say it's actually mostly my stuff. Most of my things are in there rather than a combined kind of sharing thing. What I like about the wardrobe is that it looks good and there's a lot of mirrors. I like reflective surfaces. I think it makes the whole room much bigger. And he actually customized the dressing table for me, which I really like. There's lots of bulbs, and well, it makes me feel like a star when I apply my makeup and stuff. So yeah, for first-time homeowners like us, my advice will be to actually pick the laminate from the samples first, and then try and get a 3D drawing based on your options and whatever that you have picked. Bye! Thank you for watching!
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.